Sparkles emoji, historic charm meets modern luxury in downtown Greeneville, Sparkles emoji. Welcome to the stunning Wheat Williams home, a beautifully restored 1800s showpiece offering 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and timeless character throughout. From exposed beams, antique doors, hardwood floors, and gorgeous fireplaces to the fully updated kitchen with a massive custom island and stainless appliances, this home is truly unforgettable. House with garden emoji, features you'll love. Black check mark emoji, incredible primary suite with clawfoot soaking tub and walk-in shower. Black check mark emoji, beautiful historic details blended with modern upgrades. Black check mark emoji, large double lot with mountain views. Black check mark emoji, move-in ready garage apartment with kitchen, living area, washer/dryer and private bath. Black check mark emoji, recently installed to our carport. Black check mark emoji, prime historic downtown location. This one-of-a-kind property offers the perfect combination of elegance, history, and versatility, ideal for multi-generational living, guests, or potential rental income. Round pushpin emoji.